Why men start missing you more. The psychological triggers. Understanding human behavior, especially in romantic relationships, can often be perplexing. Many women find themselves wondering how men truly feel after a relationship ends or during a period of separation. Why do some men start missing you more when they are away? What triggers these emotions? In this discussion, we'll explore the key reasons men begin to miss you more under specific circumstances, such as after a breakup, during a period of distance, or even after a short time apart. Recognizing these dynamics can provide valuable insights into male psychology and help you navigate your relationships more effectively. The psychological distance effect. One of the most powerful triggers for a man to start missing you is psychological distance. When you and a man are close, physically or emotionally, he may start to take you for granted. It's a natural tendency in relationships. When someone is always present, their value is often overlooked. However, when there is distance, whether due to a breakup, physical separation, or simply spending less time together, this psychological gap often causes him to reflect on the relationship. During this time, he might reminisce about the good times, companionship, and connection you shared, leading to the realization that absence makes the heart grow fonder. The impact of scarcity. Another important factor is scarcity. When something is always readily available, it is often undervalued. Conversely, when something is scarce, it becomes more desirable. This principle also applies to relationships. If you've always been available to him, he may not have had the chance to fully appreciate your worth. By giving him less of your time and attention, you create scarcity, which can make him crave what he can no longer easily access. This shift often makes him realize how much he values you, increasing his desire to be with you. When men face challenges. Interestingly, men often start missing you more when they face challenges or difficulties. This might seem counterintuitive, but when a man is dealing with stress, setbacks, or hardships, he may long for the comfort of support you used to provide. Challenges have a way of highlighting what truly matters in life. During tough times, he may reflect on past relationships and realize that you were a source of stability and comfort, making him miss you even more. The power of silence. Silence can be a powerful tool in relationships, particularly after a breakup or during a difficult period. When you stop reaching out, texting, or engaging with him, it can have a profound effect. Men are often accustomed to women pursuing them, especially after an argument or breakup. If you break this pattern and remain silent, it can create intrigue and curiosity in his mind. The absence of communication forces him to process his emotions and wonder about what you're doing, how you're feeling, and whether you're moving on. This uncertainty can trigger feelings of longing and regret, making him miss you more. Realizing he's lost you. One of the most significant moments when men start to miss you more is when they realize they've lost you. This realization often happens during or after a breakup, when it becomes clear that the relationship is truly over. Many men don't fully process the end of a relationship until they have had time to reflect. Initially, they might feel relieved or indifferent, but as time passes, the reality of the loss sets in. When he understands that you're no longer part of his life and that you're not coming back, he may begin to miss you deeply, leading to a profound sense of regret over what he lost. The influence of nostalgia. Nostalgia is another powerful factor that can make a man miss you more. Over time, people tend to remember the good times more vividly than the bad ones. This selective memory is a natural defense mechanism that helps cope with loss and change. For a man, this means that after some time apart, he may start reminiscing about the positive aspects of your relationship. Memories of shared experiences, inside jokes, and intimate moments can evoke a strong emotional response. Even if the relationship had its challenges, nostalgia often amplifies the good and minimizes the bad, creating a longing for the past and a desire to reconnect. When you've moved on, men often start missing you more when they realize you've moved on. Whether you've started dating someone new or are simply living your best life, seeing you happy and independent can provoke powerful emotions. Watching you thrive without him can make him question his own decisions and feel a sense of regret. When he sees that you're no longer waiting around, It can trigger a competitive instinct and make him feel like he's losing something valuable, which can intensify his longing for you. The power of unresolved emotions. Unresolved emotions can also play a significant role in making a man miss you. If there were things left unsaid, unfinished business, or lingering feelings, these unresolved issues can weigh heavily on his mind. Sometimes a man may not even fully understand why he misses you. He just knows that something feels incomplete. Seeing your growth and self-improvement are attractive qualities. When a man sees you evolving and becoming a better version of yourself, it can trigger feelings of longing. Whether you're pursuing new hobbies, advancing in your career, or simply becoming more confident, your personal growth can make him reflect on what he's missing. Seeing you succeed without him can evoke a sense of loss and regret as he realizes he missed out on being part of your journey. When he notices your absence in daily life, sometimes it's the little things that make a man miss you the most. Your absence in his daily routine can create a void he may not have anticipated. Whether it's your morning texts, the way you made his coffee, or the activities you both enjoyed, these small details can start to add up over time, making him realize how much he misses you. A wise person never returns to a place where they were disrespected without cause. The saying suggests that a wise person values their self-respect and well-being, so they avoid places or situations where they've been mistreated without reason. It reflects the idea that it's important to learn from past experiences and not waste time or energy on environments that are harmful or unkind. I think it's a smart approach to protect one's dignity and prioritize positive, respectful spaces. Your self-respect should be stronger than your emotions. This phrase encourages prioritizing self-respect over emotions like anger, sadness, or even affection, especially in situations where feelings might lead to choices that compromise one's dignity. I believe it's a powerful reminder that while feelings are natural and important, maintaining respect for oneself is essential for making healthy decisions and fostering self-worth.